Welcome everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes.
Joy.
Class 2. English.
क्या मैं नहीं खाऊंगी पूरा गिरा रहा है
I want wish strong powerful
एक बार
want stick
morning sir
morning morning everyone morning beta wishes desires
I want
कैमरा कान पीछे कर लिया पीछे तो
teachers extends trunk trunk
दूसरा पहुंच नहीं जा रही है दूसरा आवाज नहीं जा रही है दूसरा आवाज नहीं जा रही है
what beta
दूसरा आवाज नहीं जा रही है आवाज नहीं आ रही है। आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Wait, wait. Voice. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now,
आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
it's okay. See, want. Wish. Strong. Strong. Powerful. Want.
Street.
Wishes. Desires. Touches. Tempts. Trunk. Elephants. Horse. I give you meanings. So today we will discuss about this chapter.
Sir, Turkish teacher.
This is a story about little mouse. Listen, beta.
Sir,
Yes.
sir किस बुक में पढ़ा रहे हैं?
What? Tell me, beta.
सर किस बुक में पढ़ा रहे हैं?
Marigold.
या सर हमने वही निकाला है।
Yeah. Page number 29. First,
या निकालता हूँ। पेज नंबर
we will try to understand the story. Let's know
Sir, I wanted.
the story.
I wanted.
Yes. I want. Meant to know. I want. And
I want,
this
sir,
is
वही
a
निकाला।
story about little monkey.
Want to be.
He wants to be big. He wants to be strong. He wants to be like a
लिखना भी है।
giraffe.
सर इसे लिखना भी है। सर,
Yes, beta.
यस सर इसे लिखना भी है।
You can note. If you want, you can note. You can note. You can write.
सर किस कागज में?
Note.
सर इसे लिखना है।
Hello, beta. I have given you word meaning and question answer. So if you are willing, it is not compulsory to write. And if you want, if you are willing, you can write.
भेजिएगा व्हाट्सएप पर।
You can write. Yes, beta. Yes. Wait.
सर व्हाट्सएप पे आएगा।
Yeah. I have already given you this chapter word meaning. No. Have you got? Everyone has got word meaning, but just look over here. Just review
Want to be strong, powerful.
for better understanding.
Trunk and elephant nose.
A wise woman loves him, and she wants to help little monkey. She gave a magic stick to little monkey, and she said to him, if you want anything, you can use this magic stick or wand. It will help you to fulfill all your desires. That woman said to little monkey. Afterwards, a giraffe comes. He stretches his long neck and he tries to eat lips, sweet lips from that tree. And little monkey is willing. Little monkey wants to be like a giraffe, and he said pop with the sound. He gets long neck like a giraffe. Now monkey is happy. First, an elephant comes down to the river. Means an elephant is coming at the time. And what does an elephant do? Let me see. He fills his trunk with the water and try to blow the water all over his body. So, little monkey wants to do same thing, and he says, bang, with the sound, he grows a trunk just like an elephant. Now he's happy, and this is a quite pleasant for monkey. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. He wants steps like a zebra, and he says, whiz. Now, little monkey has steps all over his body. Means he has just become like a zebra. He's very, very happy. Now, come to the point beta here. He is very, very happy. He looks to the river to try out his new trunk. And he looks down. He sees himself in the water. He finds himself awful, dead like a monster. When he sees himself, so he finds himself, he sees himself like a monster. See, mother, he cries. Help, help, monster. That is not a monster. Monster means giant, a very strong body person, you can say. Monster. That is you. That is not a monster. You want a giraffe neck, you want an elephant tongue, and sometimes you want the steps like a zebra. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Little monkey cries very bitterly. He look awful, he look dreadful, he look like a monster.
देखो करी हमें
आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही है
सर आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही है
Again,
सर आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही है सर आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही है
good beta, I think. Just try to listen to me very carefully. He wants to be himself again. There is a pop, a bang, a whiz. So little monkey himself again. He jumps for joy. He jumps for happiness. He jumps for delight. He throws the magic wand. Turn the page number 31 into the river. And he never wants to be anyone else again. Judy Ling. She's your writer, author, Judy Ling. See. So, come to the story. I have given a part beta, yes. 6 words I have given you on the board, yes. So, just see. I want to repeat it. Want, wish. Want, wish.
तो लिखना है
No, beta.
तो लिखना है तो लिखना है
I gave you on your WhatsApp. Yes. Strong, powerful. Strong, powerful. Want, stick. Want, stick. Wishes, desires. Wishes,
he said desire
Stages, extends, lengthens. Trunk and elephants.
elephant nose
Snout. S-N-O-U-T, snout. Nose means snout. Is it good? Now, let me do. Okay.
सिपाही बुल्लू कैसे कहते हैं
इसको लिखना है सर इसको लिखना है सर इसको लिखना है
No. 7.
और इसको लर्न करना है
Chunk. Yes, beta. Chunk. See. No. Steps. Steps means long, thin, lines. Yes, beta. 8. Monster.
मेरा ऑनलाइन क्लास नहीं चलेगा।
Monster
पर ये लिख
died.
लिया।
Now, joy, delight, awful, dreadful.
लिखना है, सर लिखना है।
No, beta. Dreadful. Okay. Yeah.
सर हेलो सर
One more. One more, beta.
सर सब मैचिंग करना है सर मैचिंग करना है
No, no. Blow,
सही से लिखना है
blow. Throw, throw.
नहीं लिखना है सर
No, beta. See,
सर इसे नहीं लिखना
you will
है
understand. You just try to understand. See, tips. A zebra has tips all over his body. So just like a zebra, a little monkey has tips like zebra. Monster giant
Most giant.
giant. A
Most giant.
strong
Giant.
person.
Most
A
giant.
dreadful person. Joy, delight, happiness.
Light.
Awful, dreadful. Awful means
Joy.
dreadful.
Joy. Light.
Awful, dreadful.
म्यूट करवाइए सबका।
Blow, throw. Good. Now see.
बस मैं इसके लिए क्या कलियां रहती है हमने याद कर सुना।
So, is it clear? New part.
फिर आगे पढ़ाइए
See. Okay. See. This is a story about little monkey. He wants to be big. He wants to be strong. Strong means powerful. A wise woman hears him. Means, do you know about a wise woman? She is a fairy. She is not a common lady. She has a magic wand, magic rod, a magic stick. And she gave little monkey to that stick. And she said to him, this stick will help you to fulfill all you desire. It is not a common stick, it is a magic stick. Afterwards, a giraffe comes there and he stretches his long neck. He extends his long neck and its sweet lips from the top of the tree. I want a long neck like a giraffe. Little monkey says so. He says, pop, with the sound, he gets long neck like a giraffe. Now, the little monkey happy. Afterwards, an elephant comes down to the river. An elephant is coming there. He fills his tongue with the water and blows it all over himself. What happens? See? The little monkey wants to do same thing. He wants a long trunk like an elephant. He says bang, with the sound, he gets an elephant trunk. He's happy and he's enjoying. Wow. This is a good fun for me. Afterwards, he sees a zebra. He wants to be like a zebra. The little monkey says, I want steps like a zebra. Now he has got steps all over his body. Now he just like a zebra. He is very, very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He is going to the river. He wants to check out. He wants to use his new trunk. He looks down. And he sees himself in the water. He looks so awful like a monster. But that's not a monster, says his mother. His mother says to him, you are not a monster. That's you. Just remember, sometimes we want a giraffe neck, elephant trunk, and zebra strip. Little monkey cries bitterly, loudly. He look awful. He look monster. He looks so dreadful. I want to be myself again. And finally, he decides he wants to be himself again. So there is a pop, bang, and whiz. He is himself again. He has become monkey. At last, now he jumps for joy. He jumps for happiness. He's enjoying. He throws magic wand, reba, and he never wants to be anyone else again. He never wants to be like a zebra. He never wants to be like a giraffe. He never wants to be like an elephant. So Judy Ling, she's your author. She has written this chapter. I want new word I have already given, and just think, beta, yes. Still you have any doubt?
Hello, sir.
Story, beta. What about the story?
सर मेरी आवाज आप तक आ रही है?
Yes, I'm getting.
सर लिखना है। सर लिखना है।
Rudra.
यस सर।
Okay.
लिखना है इसको।
सर लिखना है।
सर लिखना है।
No,
सर लिखना है।
I gave you word meaning, beta. I gave you word meaning on your WhatsApp.
Okay,
yes.
sir.
So you have to write the word meaning. I want word meaning. You have to write in your fair copy.
सर इसे लिखना है।
I have already given you English to Hindi word meaning. Yes, you must follow in your fair copy. Okay?
लिखना है।
Are you sure?
लिख दें।
You have to write in your fair
लिख
copy.
लो।
You have to write in your fair copy. Yes. I have already
सर
given
व्हाट्सएप
you
पर भेज दीजिएगा।
English to Hindi word meaning. I given you, beta. Yes. I've given you.
सर अभी।
प्लीज साइड।
सर अभी।
See.
सर अभी।
What about the story? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
नो सर।
Clear?
यस सर।
This is
Sir.
about little monkey. This story is about a little monkey. He wants to be big. Big means beta? Anyone of you?
बड़ा।
Bada, very good.
बड़ा।
I'm very happy. Strong means?
सर मजबूत।
मजबूत होता है।
Strong means?
सर मजबूत।
Powerful. Strong means?
सर
पावरफुल।
Powerful. Shakti.
सर इसे लिखना है।
Understand? I have given you.
सर।
What?
सर।
Yes, beta. Tell me.
सर इसे लिखना है।
No. No need to
व्हाट्सएप पर
write.
भेजिएगा।
Yeah, WhatsApp.
व्हाट्सएप पर भेज दीजिएगा।
I have given you.
व्हाट्सएप।
I want word meaning. I have given you. Check your WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
After my class, you should check your WhatsApp. Okay. So
यस मैं चेक करता
try to
हूँ।
know about the story. Okay. Magic wand. Wand means beta. What is the Hindi meaning of wand? W-A-N-D wand. Wand stick.
सर हमने चेक किया। सर अगर नहीं आया था
Chadi.
हमने भी चेक किया।
Stick means chadi. Now here, see.
Sir, I have written.
Okay. Wishes, desires.
Sir.
Listen.
Sir.
Desires, ikshaएं. That is your Hindi meaning. Ikshaएं. Wait. Scratches,
सर
extends,
पर मेरी आवाज सुन रहे हैं, मुझे
lengthens,
कुछ डाउट है
भाई
लंबा करना,
सर आप मेरी
फैलाना,
आवाज सुन सकते हैं
बड़ा करना. Is it clear? Okay, come.
yes sir.
Lips means
सर मेरी
पतिया.
आवाज आप सुन
Means
सकते हैं
पतिया. Sweet means मीठा. Neck. Neck means गाजर.
सर मेरी आवाज सुन
Okay.
सकते हैं
Little means
सर
छोटा.
Sonic Miss Garden.
Yeah, very good. Now, here.
आम का पत्ती
Happy
लेकर
means
आई।
beta. Happy means in a good mood.
सर
Happy means
तो हम भी तो सुने ना
खुश.
समझ
Okay. Trunk means tell me trunk. Suit. An elephant nose, just like see the man's nose. How small? Small nose. But just think about elephant. Yes. Long and flexible body part of an elephant. Long and flexible body part of elephant. That is trunk, that is elephant nose, that is snout. S-N-O-U-T, snout. Nose. Elephant nose. Okay. Blows means throw. Throw. Blows means beta? Throw. Blows. Fekna. You understand? Fekna. Blows. Now here. See.
सर
Let me see. Stips. Patya. Stips means a long narrow lines, a long thin line, a long straight lines.
सर
Thins means sorry. Stips means patya.
लंबी लाइन
Wait.
छड़ी
Help means
छड़ी
मदद करना. Help means
सर
मदद
मदद
करना. Yeah. Monster means a dreadful person, a dreadful personality, an extremely strong person. Monster, giant, rakshas, daitya, monster. See next. Okay. Awful, dreadful, terrible. Okay, dreadful.
मेरी आवाज सुन सकते हैं
Bayanak. Wait. So I think it's okay, beta. Is there any
सर
problem?
मेरी आवाज सुन
Is there any problem about chapter about
sir.
word meaning?
नो सर
नो सर
So it's okay. Thank you so much. I have given you few word meanings and I have explained the chapter English to English and
Sir,
I have
story
given
Hindi mein-
a
Yeah.
meaning. Listen to me. I have given a meaning, word meaning in Hindi. What beta?
so what will you say?
हिंदी
So thank you so much
yes sir
and thank you for joining
सर हिंदी में
us.
भी पोयम बताया कीजिए
Hindi beta, Hindi story you want Hindi?
yes sir
Okay, good. See.
जी
Okay, wait. मैं चाहता